kono lero. Musi ni za flesh hair muno. Mulibe hair koni. Yendani. Kono ni out of bouncing kuno.
Pende woso nkirengande. Huh? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Mpere ni ndala mana nishiri. I left 1,000 with you. I said I'll pick it up later. But that day I came with parcels. She paid 1,000 kwacha. I told her I'll come and pick up the money later.
Oh, yeah. It's 1 penny, Johnny.
I gave you 1,000, but in case I send double.
Baby, sweetie, what's up next to drama? You never a cheap and no cheap. What's on which is drama? Now I'm using a chair, beauty young.
Belinda. The whole 1,000.
100 squash. My con drama in 100 squash, and then the pretty powered. 100 squash, and then the pretty concealer.
200.
Ripple stick, 100 squash.
That is 300.
100 squash, and then the 200. 200. And the kumarashes.
Belinda, come on. Belinda, come on. Because that's 500 already. In copy chabe, 200.
What marashes to cut pen from Kazuli?
Lashes, not rushes. Lashes. Rushes, vivash.
Oh, Tomino to got one out so. Tumanga to ngatu to. Tumanga to the 50. Maonate, now go 50. Mukasadi and Sachabi. Kamozaka. Aka, Bamashta Vachani, 5 quarter Kamos. Kamos 55 quarters. Kamos 5 quarters. Kamos 50 is in that.
So it's 5 quarter pen copy.
250 at one.
That is 550.
Eh. Then manjana chami. Resi wigi, resi flanti, soi, kai se yama soi kwenye yondula maningi. Imankala 200. Akwana zingati 750. Then inaba na gulako na kabudula na bla set. Nagula 150. Yanga na 900 eh.
That is 900.
Then the 100 squatter na start 100 squatter. Oh, 100 squatter na bana chani. Ma nails.
Yapanga na 1,000. Nenda la mani hapo hapo.
Kali mtu amachi mankalia sana kazi. Kumankala icheka ukachipima iso. Macho wana shidadi. Light so. Ciao.
B.
Africhi chimankala 500. Then na Afrina ngwi so. Ciao. Machebe ni 500. Yapa zingati famozi?
Yeah, 1,000. But now Monica Gunomanje is a bit costly. It's a bit costly.
So tabi mwanja, bita masweko ni drama dezi yani.
Ma diva, they are cheaper than ma frequency.
Yeah, ma diva sibazi wa chizungu.
It's a bit costly. Yeah? Because this project requires a lot of funding. Ana mungu alishanjana wena wewe.
But mna these days. One thing I don't know.